Hello everyone. Today we have Keeler's product with us, and that is Keeler's loop frame with glass. In this box we get loop's case, a CD which has its user manual and a dusty cloth. This. And similarly we get the same additional items in this box as well, like this case, this CD which has its user manual and a dust cloth. So first of all, let's talk about this one. In this box we get a loops frame. This is Keeler's loop frame and two glasses. These are the glasses. This is the Keeler's frame. It opens like this, and this is its adjusting thread, or we can say strap. Now let's talk about its attachments. This is its loops attachment, and the attachment for the glasses comes here. Now let's talk about the Keeler's loop. In this case we get Keeler's 3.0x loops and its dust cover. As we can see, this is Keeler's 3.0x loop, which has a working distance of 46 cm. If we see this part, these two wheels are for the adjustment of the loop, like this. This wheels helps in the adjustment of the loop's position. These dust covers are placed here to protect the loop from any dust or damage. It is placed. This loop's attachment. If we see this part in this loop, there are two holes. This point can be inserted here, and the loop is adjusted. As we can see, we have two glasses with us. The adjustment for this glass comes here, this grey part. This is adjusted in this cut, in this area, we can say. Like, we just have to fix this glass, we just need to set this glass against this area and it gets fixed. This glass helps in the examination. Now if we talk about this glass is for those people who already have a number spectacle, and this can be inserted here in this area. We have attached the number glass here. To fix this glass, all we have to do is we just need to follow this curved path and it gets attached in this. This is its strap. This part is to fix the position at a desired angle so that the frame stay firm. So this was all about Keeler's loop 3.0x loop, frame and glasses. Thank you.